This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 31 EV is a Class C RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a Aspen Gray interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 31 EV is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.